Hi everyone! Let's create this stunning project with new Stencil plugins. After you log in into my WebAR account, press Create New Project, name your project and select the type of tracking for your project. I will use AR on QR code. And now, time to install our new plugins. So go to Extension Store, find New Plugins, Stencil Cube and Stencil Object, and simply install it by one click. And now it's time for 3D models. Upload or add from the 3D models library 6 3D models. We need exactly 6 models for each cube wall. You can move or rotate your 3D model, but don't forget to place them exactly on each other. If you want to use 3D models from Sketchfab integration, we recommend it to download it first and then upload to your 3D models gallery. All links of 3D models you will find in the description. After you're done with 3D models, press Save and publish your project. It will make sure that all 3D models will stay in the right positions. Now it's time to add Stencil Cube plugin. Just simply press the button and save as it is. So now you see the cube that will create a material replacement effect after we will publish our project. Make sure that all your 3D models are inside the Stencil cube. Also, you can easily rotate or change the size of the Stencil cube. Now when we are done with Stencil Cube, we need to add some Stencil objects. Press Stencil Object button, select the object, it's a 3D model, and change Stencil Ref to 1. And repeat it 5 more times by changing 3D models and Stencil Ref by the number of 3D model. For example, if it's your second 3D model, put Stencil Ref number 2. By the way, all models should be different. That's why we added 6 different 3D models to our project. And after you add the last one, you already will see how the Stencil plugins gonna work. As you see, all cube walls are different with our different 3D models. So all we need to do is to save and share our project. Thanks for being with us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.